Okay, here we are again. This is a very similar task, assigning treatment groups to the task that we just did, practice selecting samples. Assigning treatment groups is when you have people that are volunteering for a study and you need to put them in one of the random groups. This is the Chapter 6 task. And so the task here, assign the first 5 volunteers to a clinical study to one of 4 different treatment groups. And again, the fundamental number 1 question, how many choices are there? In this case, how many choices are there for a treatment group? The answer is 4. So if you've got 4 choices, we have to do this with 4 choices. One way to do it with the random digits table would just be look for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. That might take a little while. Another way you could do it is if you're looking at single digits, you only need single digits because there are 4 choices. You could assign 1 and 2 to be group 1, 3 and 4 to be group 2. 5 and 6 to be group 3. And 7 and 8 to be group 4. 9 and 0 you ignore. And we should have written this up front, but use single digits. So this will go quickly. Using single digits to select the random treatment groups for the first 5 people. The first person is in group 1. The second person, 9, is ignored. The second person is also in the first group. The third person in the first group, because 1 and 2 put you in the first group. The number 3 puts you in group 2. The number 9 is an ignore, and the number 5 puts you in group 3. So we have person number 1 is in group 1. The second person is in group 1. The third person is in group 1. The fourth person was in group 2. And the fifth person in group 3. There we have it. In this case, duplication is allowed because you're allowed to have more than one person in each treatment group. Doing the same task with the calculator, starting the random number generator. Remember the fundamental question, how many choices are there? There are 4 choices here, 4 choices of treatment groups. So we're going to randomize a number between 1 and 4. The first person is in group 3, the second person in group 4, third person group 3, group 1, and group 3. So we have those here. Person 1, group 3, person 2, group 4, person 3, in group 3, the fourth volunteer in group 1, and the fifth volunteer in group 3. That'll take care of it. 2 different tasks, but 2 very related tasks. Again, remember the fundamental question. How many choices are there? The fundamental question, the fundamental question. How many choices are there? That's what you have to ask yourself. All right. Have a good day.